Welcome to SkillMint Studio. Today we'll draw our diagonal line in MS Word table. First, go to Insert, click Table and create a table. Click Design and then next click Border and select Diagonal Down Border. Go to Insert and draw a text box. Remove default text and type your name. Resize text box and click Format. Click Shape Fill and select No Fill and then click Shape Outline, select No Outline. Copy and paste this text box to the other side. Change the text and your table header is ready. I hope this video helpful. Please like and subscribe to SkillMint Studio. See you in the next video.